Hello and welcome again to today's Swahili lesson. Our topic for today is characteristics of Swahili language. Let us get started. The first characteristic is that Swahili is a receptive language. This is because it has accepted a lot of words from many languages all over the world. For instance, Swahili has borrowed a notable amount of words from English like penseli, pencil, televisheni, television, and picture, picture. From Arabic like samahani, sorry, alhamisi, Thursday, sita, 6, and from German like Schule, school, hela, money, kilometer, kilometer, and so many other languages. The second characteristic is that Swahili language has a fixed word order, that is subject, verb, and object. For example, mtoto anakula chakula. The baby is eating food. So mtoto is subject, anakula is verb, chakula is object. Wanafunzi wanasoma Kiswahili. Students are learning or reading Swahili. So students, wanafunzi is subject, wanasoma is verb, Kiswahili is object. Though at some point you can actually express subject, verb, and object into one word. For example, nitakuja, I will come. The third characteristic is that Swahili is a stressed language. Word stress is a verbal emphasis placed on one syllable of a word. In Swahili, this occurs in second but last syllable, which is usually called penultimate. Therefore, the clear, accurate pronunciation of all Swahili words relies on correct articulation and placement of stress. For example, cheza, play, atakuja, he or she will come. Another characteristic is that Swahili uses Roman alphabets, which is one of the shortest and simple alphabet with its clean form with only 29 basic letters, whereby 5 are vowels and 24 are consonants. Okay, and we have the video explaining the Swahili alphabets. You can follow the link below to learn the Swahili alphabets. Another characteristic is that Swahili language is an agglutinative. The term was derived from a Latin verb agglutinare, which means to glue together. Words may contain different morphemes to determine their meaning, but all of those morphemes, including stem and affixes, remain in every aspect unchanged after their unions. For example, anawapenda, he or she loves them, whereby a is a subject marker, na is a tense marker, wa is object infix, and penda is a root verb. Okay, the last characteristic is that Swahili is fairly a simple language to learn understand, and speaks. This is because of its straightforward grammar and logical spelling and pronunciation patterns. That is why Swahili is a widely spoken Bantu language with approximately over 200 million users in and outside Africa continent.